Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. So in this video, I'm going to analyze Bitcoin, BTCUSDT. We're going to look at what possibilities do we have for the upcoming week, what price action and price structure is telling us, and what we have missed in the past. So without any further delay, let's get right into it. So right now I'm on trading view at weekly time frame, and as you can see, and as I have discussed in my previous videos, that market is in a bearish trend, in a downtrend, and we are moving towards the downside. So for past couple of weeks, for past exactly 2 weeks, we are not able to move towards the downside. We are making bullish candles on weekly time frame, but still, if you can see, let me zoom in. If you can see, we are showing strong rejection from this zone, from the upside, and there is a high probability that we can continue towards the downside. But how are we going to continue towards the downside? What structure can possibly appear? What market structure, price action can possibly appear, and how we can take profit from that? So to analyze that, let's go to a low time frame, a daily time frame, and let's analyze it over there. So I'm on a daily time frame, and as I have discussed in my previous videos, recently, not just recently, for past couple of days, you can say for previous month, the market was consolidating, meaning moving towards the upside, and it was moving inside a bullish flag. The market broke the flag and moved towards the downside. Once the market broke the flag, our target becomes 17,575 ish prices area. Yes, definitely market can move even more down, and I am expecting the market to go at 16,000 ish price range, but the level I have decided to target is 17,575 ish price area, because it is the bottom of the flag. That is very high probability the market is going to touch it. But recently market is not moving in our direction, in bearish direction, and it is consolidating, moving up and down. Now you know that, I know that almost everyone who trades professionally knows that market is not symmetrical. Market do not move in one direction, in a straight line. Market moves randomly. A few move towards the downside, few move towards the upside, few big move towards the downside, few small moves towards the upside, and that's what makes the market so difficult. So leave that, and let's analyze, and let's see what we have missed and what we can expect from the market, and what we can get out of that expectation. So recently market break the structure, break the channel, and move down. Once it started moving down, it got rejected from our first target, which was 18,620 price area, and it made a huge move towards the upside. Then it got rejected from 22,400 price area, and it started moving towards the downside, and eventually it created this zone, this yellow zone, and it respected 3 times, or you can say 4 times it respected this zone, and it turned out to be a very good zone. Recently market again got rejected from this zone, right here on 4th of October this year. Market got rejected, and since then market is moving towards the downside. Our main area where we should look at market carefully is this 18,620 price area, and the low of this whole move, which is 18,130 price level. You need to pay attention to this level, these levels, and see how the market is reacting, how the price action is reacting once we are around these levels, because that's what's going to decide where the market is going to go down or the market is not going to go down. We have got rejected from our first target, 18,620 price level, 2 times, and there is a possibility, there is a probability that we can again get rejected from this line, this horizontal price level, and we move up. But we do not know what can possibly happen once the market touched that, so we can't do anything about that. But what we can do right now is analyze it carefully and prepare for once the market breaks it, and capitalize on that. So recently what happened, market moved up right here. This big move toward the downside, reached our first target, moved up, and moved down again after getting rejected from 22,400 price level. And after that market started consolidating, market started moving up and down, up and down, and recently we have touched the zone, which was a good confirmation that we can continue moving towards the downside. But we do not have a proper confirmation. What gave us a proper confirmation was this double top. Market touched the zone zone, moved down, touched the zone again, made a double top and started moving towards the downside. Now we are moving towards the downside. We can say the structure is very fine, market is bearish, but on intraday level. If you look at the bigger picture, for example 4-hour time frame where I am right now, and if you zoom out a bit, you can see the market is consolidating inside this zone and this price level, 18,620 price level. If we are moving towards the downside, fine, but we on a bigger picture we are consolidating. We, in order to look at a bearish continuation, in order to expect a bearish continuation, we have to wait for a break of this 18,600 price area, a proper break, a retest, some sort of stability down there, and then we can say okay, we are going to continue our journey towards the downside. Now based on recent price action, the double top right here, let me draw that, the double top right here, and the smooth move towards the downside is a very good confirmation that we can possibly break the level, break the support, sorry, break the support 18,600 price area towards the downside. But there is no confirmation here, there is no confirmation. Market hasn't touched the price area and we have no confirmation at all at the moment. But once market touch the zone, make sure you pay careful attention to that price area and see if the market is managing to break it or is showing rejection. Now based on that analysis, we can say the market is going to go towards the downside or not. Our ultimate target is somewhere around 16,000 price area, and that's what I am expecting. But short term market is consolidating. Overall long term, on even a daily time frame, market is bearish and we should expect bearish moves. Right now market can get reject from 18,000 price area and move up again. This is not the first time, this will be third time if market show rejection and move up. So that's it for Bitcoin right now. In a nutshell, right now we are moving towards the downside on an intraday level, but there is a possibility that we show rejection, we show support from 18,600 price area and move back up. If we manage to break it towards the downside, we will continue our journey towards 17,500 area. So that's it for Bitcoin. If you get any value out of the video, and if you like the video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in another video with another pair. Thank you.